Hi, Stephanie here. Today I'll teach you how to make restaurant level ramen at home as a beginner. So today we'll be making the spicy miso ramen from Daikokuya. I have three things over here: noodles, a bag with the pork as well as the bamboo shoots, and this frozen pack of soup base. So here they have the 4-step instruction for you to make the ramen, and I'll be following these instructions and see if I can create something like this. The ramen chef instruction. What you need: pot, another pot, a drainer, pair of chopsticks, and a bowl. Let's head to the kitchen. First, I used the boiled water to warm up the soup packets, and I used the rest of the boiled water to cook the ramen. In order to make sure that the noodle is not overcooked, be sure to set a timer. Now I drain the noodles. After cleaning the pot, I would use it to boil the veggies as well as the eggs. I check the soup packets and also the pork packets. After the pork packet has been warmed up, I would put it out and lay it on top of the noodles. And I will also put the veggies in. Now I will peel the shells of the poached eggs. As you can tell, it's not that easy of a job. It actually took me quite a while, but I managed to get it done. Now I put in the chopped green onions. You can also put bean sprouts, I believe. Now I open the soup packets. Before I pour the soup in, I will give the bag a good shake so that the ingredients are mixed. Then I'll carefully open the packets and pour the soup into the bowl. Hi, and I'm back with the ramen. I even did the plating, which is very unlike me, but let's dig in right now. As I begin to eat, I realized that my spoon is too small to hold any soup, but it doesn't stop the ramen from tasting good. And the veggie is good too. So the whole process of making this ramen took me about 30 minutes, and I only did one screw up, which is the pork part. I thought that I needed to open the packet, but actually I don't need to. Besides that, I think everything is pretty easily done, and you can throw in other ingredients that you like. Even though it says spicy miso ramen, it's actually pretty mild. I think everyone would like it. So that's all for today's video, and I'll hurry up to finish this ramen before it gets cold. I'll see you really soon. Bye!